What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix the Roblox error code 280 disconnected, please update error, and how we can fix this error. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one, just go over here, search for the run command like this and click on this one and go over here, and we need to type over here, just type temp over here, and you have to put an enter. So right now that take you to this, and right now what we need to just go over here, control A, and what we need to just right click on this one and go for the delete icon and delete it. Once it's successfully deleted, what we need just close this up, and we need you to go over here, search for the run command once again, and you have to put a check on this one. And right now what we need to just go over here, and we need to type %temp. Now we need to type percentage and just go for OK. And right now once it is selected, what we need to just go over here, select A, and right click on this one and go for the trash icon and delete it. So make sure everything is deleted, and once everything is successfully deleted over here, and what we need to do is once and foremost once everything is deleted, we can just close this and you need to move to the next step. Next step is all about just go over here, search for add or remove programs and go over here. And right now what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the Roblox over here. So once you search for the Roblox, and if you find the Roblox, if the Roblox, not the Microsoft version, but as you can see we have the Roblox player for the admin, go over here and right click on this one and go for three-dot menu over here and just go for uninstall. Once uninstalling is done, what we need to do is just go over here, close this up and go back over here, just type run once again, and you have to go over here. And right now we need to go over here, what we need to just go over here and we need to remove this. And what we can just type %local app data. So just type %local app data and go for OK. And right now from here we need to keep scrolling down and navigate to the folder named the Roblox. Select the respective one over here, right click on this particular folder for the Roblox and go over for the trash icon and delete it. Once it is successfully deleted, we just need to go back to the Roblox game, or you can directly download back the Roblox, and you have to check after uninstalling, download back the Roblox, and most probably this should be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.